Okay, now that you've practiced the A minor scale, and you know the basic notes for Interstellar, we're going to play right through it now. Starting at the first measure. So we're going to have four measures of just the E note. You can do that with me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 2, 3. Second measure. Third measure, nice and soft. Fourth measure, here's the melody. Measure 13. 2, 3, 1, 2. There's a couple strange things in here. 2 measures are only 2 counts. Okay? If you want to play along with the recording, you have to be aware of that, or just listen really close and you might just feel it. So check out SuzukiGuitar.org if you want to learn about ukulele camps in Charleston, South Carolina. They're actually in Mount Pleasant. SuzukiGuitar.org for summer camps. Thanks. Bye.